Not only is this rural property on 3 acres absolutely amazing, but the view is stunning. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins.
And I'm Lindsay Swikeski-Harden, and we're at our newest listing, 4569 Pond Hill Road.
Lindsay, let's show them around.
All right. They say the kitchen is the heart of the home, and in this home it is no exception.
The kitchen opens right up to the living room and the dining room, and just look at this kitchen. It is designed so well. It has lots of cabinetry, hard surface countertops. One other thing that everyone wants, Lindsay.
A gas range, a really nice one. And there are even pull-out shelves in the pantry and the lower cabinets.
There's one room on this side of the home on the main level.
And 3 more on this end, including a primary suite. This primary bedroom is a great size. The updated ensuite has a jet tub.
The 5th bedroom is in the basement and attaches to the 3rd bathroom, which also opens to the 2nd living space.
The seller of this home wanted a mudroom. He took 1 stall of the 2-stall attached garage and made it into that. By taking out this door and wall and lowering the garage door, you again have a 2-stall attached garage. The other stall being right through this door. Who doesn't want a huge shop
That's heated and a detached office.
and extra storage?
Yes, this property could be yours. Come tour it today. There's a zip line, there's a large
A playset, pergola, fire pit area.
If you love entertaining, this
This
is the
is
house
your
for
house.
you. If you have lots of toys, this is the house for you. All right, you guys, remember,
Anyway,
we want you
to love where you live.
See you soon. And I don't mean like an alcoholic beverage.
A
I
wine
mean like
cooler.
the actual wine fridge.
I learned how to do the wine coolers in the 90s.
Collins,
And I'm Lindsay Swikeski-Harden,
Vicky,
Alisha Collins Real Estate
and
Team.
today
We're at our newest listing, 4569 Pond Hill Road.
Lindsay, let's go show them this awesome home. Okay, that's what we're doing.
Okay.
It even has a wine fridge. If you know how to use it. Lindsay does not. You're keeping that in.